Good morning. I'm McCoy Knight. I'm the National Sales Manager for GEA Pharma Systems in Columbia, Maryland. GEA Pharma Systems is the processing division of GEA Process Engineering, a large German conglomerate that is focused on process equipment and process engineering. The Pharma Systems Group is supporting pharmaceutical manufacturing and pharmaceutical processing throughout the United States and the world. Our group of companies include Machines Colette for bottom drive high shear granulators, Aeromatic-Fielder for fluid beds and high shear mixer granulators, Buck Valves for high containment, and GEA Lyophil for freeze drying and automatic loading and unloading systems. We'd like to take a few minutes and take you around our booth here at Interphex 2011 and show you a little bit what our companies do. I'd like to now introduce Mike Fazio, the National Sales Manager for Courtoy. Mike's going to take us through some exciting innovations in the new Courtoy Modul S tablet press, including the exchangeable compression module. Mike?
Sure, thank you. This is the Modul S tablet press. With the Modul S tablet press, we utilize an exchangeable compression module, which is what you see here. Basically, the exchangeable compression module, or ECM, is a box that we build around the turret. This box contains all the process dust to a very small area. It includes all the product contact parts, including the upper and lower cam tracks, discharge chute, feeder, and scrapers. The key advantage to the exchangeable compression module is twofold. One, for containment. It maintains a very small confined area for dust containment, and no dust escapes the ECM. So cleaning the tablet press during a changeover is not necessary. Since cleaning the tablet press is not necessary, the uptime on the machine is dramatically increased. During a changeover, the user would stop batch A, disengage the ECM, wheel the ECM away, bring in a new and duplicate prepared ECM, install it into the machine, and begin running without having to clean the tablet press. The total mechanical changeover time is 1.5 hours, which is dramatically lower than any of our competition. Also, the Modul S tablet press has unique compression technology. We have the ability to freely and flexibly adjust dwell time at pre-compression using our pneumatic compensator technology. The pneumatic compensator basically arranges the granules within the die much more efficiently. It de-aerates better, so that for the final compression event, we see a higher tablet quality.
I'd like to now introduce Tom Smith. Tom is the Component Sales Manager for GEA Pharma Systems, and he's going to take a few minutes and go through the exciting new MC, the Modular Containment Valve, for high containment applications. Tom, please.
Hello. The Modular Containment Valve essentially is a new innovation from GEA. It works on the same principle as our previous containment valve, and it has similar containment levels, anywhere from 1 to 10 micrograms per meter cubed for 15-minute STEL, or with an extraction principle less than 1 microgram. But the difference between the MC valve and other valves that are on the marketplace is we've eliminated the active-passive relationship. How we've been able to achieve that is to take all the mechanism on the valve and place it on this exterior ring. So now, effectively, we have two identical valves used within the system. This provides greater flexibility when used in contract work or for cleaning and maintenance, because both halves are identical. They use the same spare parts. They're able to be switched out very quickly for different products. And we can also use the actuator ring for multiple passive valves. So this means you don't need an active valve at every station. It's a great innovation, and we feel that we can integrate it to your process very easily.
Now I'd like to introduce Mark Rowland. Mark Rowland is the product manager for the Aeromatic-Fielder group. He's now going to take us through the most innovative product, the PharmaConnect high shear mixer granulator, that also includes a number of different exciting options. Mark?
So the machine we have here is the PharmaConnect, and it's a lab-scale piece of equipment. It's designed to run from batches of less than 1 kilogram right the way through to 30 or 40 kilograms. It's got several different modules that are available with it. We use it for processing for high shear granulation, for dry powder blending. We have IBC blending as well, and we've also got extrusion and spheronization available. Now the principle behind it is we have a modular system. We have the control system, which is this box here. As you can see, we've got a touchscreen HMI goes with this. And then we've got the processing modules. This particular one is for dry powder blending for inhalable products, DPI products. But the main range that we have are actually the high shear granulators. So in terms of the range, we've got this machine here, which is our 1 litre PMA high shear granulator. Then moving up into the 20 litre and right the way through into the 60 litre. And each one of those connects to exactly the same control unit. The controls are designed so that whenever one of these modules is attached, there's a module recognition system that will set up the control system appropriately. So you have the proper speed range for that particular bowl. Now, the key feature you have with the PharmaConnect is that below the bowl, we have the impeller motor. So each one of the bowls has its very own impeller motor. The reason we do that is we can ensure that each motor, each PMA bowl, has a consistent torque input per unit volume. That makes it very easy for researchers to scale up the process. So whether they're working on the 1 litre scale or on the 60 litre scale, their motor will be working at the same rate when it comes towards the end of the granulation process. And that's very, very important for understanding what's happening. Other key features on here, if we go open up the bowl here, you can see the main impeller blade. In the base, it's a typical vertical granulator system. The blade that we're using is our M8 blade. It's a high intensity blade. It's designed to put as much energy as possible into the granulation process. We've also, key features from the cover, we've got a load port here, 4-inch load port that's designed to work with our Hyperflex system, which you've already seen. We've got a wash nozzle on there, a spray lance system as well. It's all very simple to use. The other key thing about this is if you look at the geometry of the system, whether you're at the 1 litre scale, 20 litre, 60 litre, or into our production machines going right the way up to 2,000 litres, the geometry is exactly the same. So you get very similarity between all of the processes. So as well as the PMA bowls, we've also got our IBC blender system. This particular one goes from 3 litres up to 15 litres for IBCs. We've also got a second module which will take you right the way through to a 75 litre IBC size. Along with that 75 litre IBC, we also have the capability of using near infrared for blend homogeneity checking. So it's a nice integrated system to use in the laboratory. The final module, which you don't see on the stand here, is our integrated extrusion and spheronization system. That system allows you to pelletize batches as low as 50 grams of material, but it also has the capability to take you through to 500 grams per minute production rate. The novel thing about that is for this scale of system, it's actually an integrated unit. So we are able to extrude, collect the material, the extrudate, and then drop that onto a spheronizer, all within a single module. So it's a fully integrated pelletization module.
The next item, of course, is spray drying. GEA Process Engineering has been spray drying for over 75 years. Spray drying is a continuous process for turning a solution, a slurry, or a suspension into a free-flowing, directly compressible powder. It's also used to enhance bioavailability or to improve the flowability of many products before they're put into tablets. This is our latest mobile miner spray dryer for manufacturing from solution and from slurries. Once again, this is McCoy Knight at GEA Pharma Systems. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Please go to our website at geapharmasystems.com and learn more, or give us a call directly.